let's learn how you can create Gmail account without phone number. Please, before we start, you need to know that Gmail actually disabled this and you cannot skip phone number option anymore. But for some country, what you can do is to make a temporary number and then copy it and paste as your phone number that you will use on Gmail. So first you need to go to tempnumber.com, set up your temporary number and click on copy. Now we will go back to Gmail, and on this sign in page you need to click on create account, and here click for my personal use. Now you want to type in first name, click on next, select your date birth, click on next again. Now select the email you will have to use, click on next. Now select the password you will use and click on next again. And now you need to copy this phone number and select the country code for that phone number. I am in UK, so it's +44, and click on next. So this error maybe appear to you. This has been patched only in some countries, but for some countries it actually works. You need to try like Norway on VPN, and I'm sure you will pass this. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.